నాకు ఇవ్వలేదమ్మా.
లాస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ బట్ నాట్ లీస్ట్ మా మేడం గారు అయినటువంటి ఉమా మేడం గారిని స్టేజ్ మీదకి సాదరంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాము. ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ రండి మేడం, ప్లీజ్ ప్లీజ్ రండి.
రాధాకృష్ణ.
Now I would like to invite Mrs. Rajalakshmi on the stage. Please come.
సమోసా అన్నారు.
అలాగే మాదాసు శ్రీని గారు స్టేజ్ మీద రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am honored to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of our company, Angel Engineering Works. I want to express our sincere gratitude to all the clients, guests, speakers, team members, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, for sharing their insights and expertise with us today. Your presentations were enlightening and thought provoking. I would also like to thank our event organizers for their hard work and dedication in putting together such a seamless and successful event. Your attention to detail and commitment to excellence did not go unnoticed. To our sponsors, thank you for your generous support. Your contributions have made this event possible, and we are grateful for your partnership. Finally, to all the attendees, thank you for taking the time to be here with us today. Your participation and engagement have made this event a truly memorable one. Once again, thank you all for being a part of this wonderful occasion. Have a great evening. Thank you. Thank you very much.
ఆటో డ్రైవర్ చెప్పి ఐగర్ నుంచి
Thank